Good day, children. Sai Ram. Welcome to our New Voices class. Today, in English, New Voices, we are going to start with our new lesson. Do you want to know which lesson is that? No, I will not tell you now. You have to wait for some time. First, we are going to drill the new words. Children, do you know why are we learning the new words? Because if you will be thorough with the spellings and the words, then you can easily read the lesson. Okay? So, let us start. I will read the spelling of the words 3 times and you will repeat after me. Okay? Now see the first word. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. The next word is coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. The first word is tree. The next word is coconut. The next word is smiles. S-M-I-L-E-S. Smiles. S-M-I-L-E-S. Smiles. S-M-I-L-E-S. Smiles. Next. Fear. F-E-A-R. Fear. F-E-A-R. Fear. F-E-A-R. Fear. The first word is smiles. The other word is fear. The other next word is crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Crying. Next one. Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. First word is crying. The next word is listen. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Next one. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. The first word is monkey. The next one is climb. Next one. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. Next word. Grandma. G-R-A-N-D-M-A. Grandma. G-R-A-N-D-M-A. Grandma. G-R-A-N-D-M-A. Grandma. The first word is house. The second word is grandma. The next word. False. F-A-L-L-S. False. F F-A-L-L-S. False. F-A-L-L-S. False. Next one. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Next one. Starts. S-T-A-R-T-S. Starts. S-T-A-R-T-S. Starts. S-T-A-R-T-S. Starts. Next one. Looks. L-O-O-K-S. Looks. L-O-O-K-S. Looks. L-O-O-K-S. Looks. Next word. Big. B-I-G. Big. B-I-G. Big. B-I-G. Big. Okay, again we will read the words. First one is false. Say next one is ground. The next one is starts. Then looks. Then big. Children, we have finished drilling the new words. Okay. Now what you are going to do? You are going to learn all these new words by heart. Okay. Now we are going to start with the frame sentences. Okay. Now children, you may be thinking, what is frame sentences? Okay. Can you tell me what are frame sentences? Don't know. Okay. So I will explain you what are frame sentences. I will give you one word. Okay. I will be giving you one word and you have to make a sentence using these words. Using this word. So I will be giving you a word. Now here the word is given big. Now this big word you have to use in the sentence. Okay, you have to make a sentence using this word. First, I will frame a sentence on that word. Okay, and then you have to frame a sentence on your own. The word is very easy, simple, big. So, you have to frame sentence on big. So, first I will frame the sentence. Just see. I have a big pencil. I have framed the sentence on big. I have a big pencil. Now here I had used the word big in the sentence. Can you see here big? Yes. I have a big pencil. Now the big word is very, very important. If you are not writing this big word in the sentence, then your sentence is wrong, because big is very important in the sentence, because we are framing the sentence on big. If that particular word is not there, then the sentence is wrong. Okay. So, big word is very important in the sentence. So, I have a pencil. I have a pencil is right. The sentence is right. But what we have to, on which word we have to frame sentence? We have to frame the sentence on the word big. If that big is not there in the sentence, that means your sentence is wrong. Okay. So this is frame sentence. So children, so I have framed the sentence on big. The sentence is I have a big pencil. Okay. Now you will also frame the sentence on big on your own. Okay. Now next word. We will see the next word. Next word is on. What is the next word? On. So we are going to frame sentence on. On. There is a bird sitting on the tree. Okay. There is a bird sitting on the tree. Now here, which word we have used to frame the sentence? We have used on. Okay. So on is very important. So there is a bird sitting on the tree. if you are not writing on, then the sentence will be there is a bird sitting the tree. Then this sentence is wrong. Okay. So the word on is very, very important in the sentence. So there is a bird sitting on the tree. Okay. So we have framed two sentences. That is, one is on big and other one is on. Okay. The first one is big. I have a big pencil. Second one is on. There is a bird sitting on the tree. Okay. So we have framed two sentences using these two words. Okay. Now we'll see the next one. Next word is listen. Okay. The next word is listen. Okay. So we are going to frame sentence on listen. We should always listen to our elders. We should always listen to our elders. Now here which word I had used to frame sentence? Listen. See the sentence. Listen, what is there? Yes. We should always listen to our elders. So listen is very important. Okay. So we have finished framing the sentences. Okay. Now children, I will ask you few questions and you are going to answer to my questions. Okay. Where do you live? Tell me, where do you live? Yes, we live in our house. All live in their house, right? Yes, so we live in our house. With whom do you live? Do you live alone? No. Then with whom do you live? You live in a house. But in the house, with whom do you live? Yes, we live with our parents. We all live with our parents. Some of the house, grandparents also live with them. Okay. So, we live with our parents and the grandparents. Do you listen to your elders? Do you all listen to your elders? Who are elders? Elders are the people who are, according to the age, they are bigger than you. Like your parents, your grandparents, your uncles, aunts, they are your elders. So, do you listen to your elders? Do you obey to your elders? Yes, we should always obey or listen to our elders. Okay. So, today we are going to see about a naughty boy. How did he troubled his grandmother in lesson number 2 on the coconut tree. Okay, so let us see. In this lesson, Raju lived with his grandmother in a big house. So his grandmother's house was very big. Can you see the house? The house is very big. Okay, and there was a coconut tree, big coconut tree near the house. Can you see the coconut tree near the house? Yes, there was a big coconut tree near the house. Raju was a very naughty boy. He doesn't obey or listen to his grandmother at all. What happened? One day he wanted to climb the coconut tree. His grandmother did not allow him. But he didn't listen to her and started climbing the tree. What happened all of a sudden? A big coconut falls from the tree on the ground. Raju gets scared and he starts running in fear. He goes to his grandmother. Now what did he see? He saw a monkey on the tree. What did he see? He saw a monkey on the tree. Raju sees the monkey and smiles. They both becomes friends. Okay? Yes, nice na? Good, nice lesson, right? Now, we are going to do the reading of this lesson once. Children, you are going to listen how teacher is reading. Okay? I will read the lesson and you will just listen how I am reading. In the same way, you have to practice reading at home. Okay. So when you are starting to read the lesson, you have to start with the lesson number and the topic of the lesson. So let us start. Lesson number 2, on the coconut tree. Can you see a rectangular box in that the sentences are written, okay? That I am reading. This is Grandma's house. She lives in a big house. There is a coconut tree. Again I will read. There is Grandma's house. She lives in a big house. There is a coconut tree. Raju, don't climb the tree. Again I'll read. Raju, don't climb the tree. Raju does not listen to Grandma. He climbs the tree. Raju does not listen to Grandma. He climbs the tree. Third, a coconut falls on the ground. Raju starts crying in fear. Third, a coconut falls on the ground. Raju starts crying in fear. Grandma comes out. Grandma comes out. There is a monkey on the tree. There's a monkey on the tree. Raju looks at the monkey and smiles. Raju looks at the monkey and smiles. So children, we have finished reading this lesson once. Okay. Now we are going to do one activity. What is the activity? Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. So you have to look at this picture and you have to fill in the blanks. So what is this? It is a fruit. Which is that fruit? You have to complete the name of the fruit. First letter is given and the end letter is given. Can you tell me which is this fruit? The starting letter is M. It starts from M. So, which is that fruit? Yes, it's a mango. So, you write M. What is the spelling of mango? M-A-N-G-O. Mango. So, which fruit is this? It's a mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Okay. Go to the next one. What is the next fruit? Can you recognize which is that fruit? Yes, the starting letter is A, ending letter is E. So, which is that fruit? Yes, it is apple. So, what is spelling of apple? A, P, P, L, E. Apple. A, P, P, L, E. Apple. What is the next word? Next fruit? Can you guess? The first letter of that fruit is O and ends with E. So which is that fruit? Yes, orange. O-R-A-N-G and E. Orange. So which is this fruit? Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Which is the next fruit? Next fruit is? Yes, banana. So what is spelling of banana? B, A N A N A banana. B A N A N A banana. Okay? Enjoy this activity? Very good. Now children, we have finished the first part of this lesson. The remaining part of this lesson we are going to continue in the next period. Okay? Till then, today we have learned the new words, right? So that new words you are going to write 3 times in your home notebook. Okay? You are going to write these words. Which words we have learned. You have to write how many times? 3 times. Each word 3 times, and with that you have to learn these words by heart. Learn the spellings of these words by heart. I'll read the words once again. The first word is trees. Second word is coconut. Third one is smiles. Fourth, fear. Fifth, crying. Sixth, listen. Seventh, monkey. 8, climb. 9, house. 10, grandma. 11, falls. 12, ground. 13, starts. 14, looks. And 15, big. So all these 15 words you have to write 3 times in your home notebook. Okay? So children, will meet in the next period with the remaining part of this lesson. Till then, have a good day. Bye.